diamond? Like, for real? For those of you who are brand new, I welcome you. You guys, this is a channel that focuses primarily on unboxings and product reviews. And let me just say, we do give our honest opinion about these boxes. In fact, we even have a rating system that we created that we call a section called Rate That Box. So yes, we do the unboxing and then we rate the box based on a scale of 1 to 10. And that includes a few different factors. That is how we determine the rating of the box. And those factors include, number 1, the variety of the items, number 2, the quality of the items, and number 3, the price point of the items. So all of those factors create the score for the overall unboxing experience. So that is what we do here. If you like our channel, if you like this video, please give us a like, subscribe, and leave us a comment. Okay, so Foreverwick is a candle company, but hold up. They are not just any candle company, you guys. A variety of candles, they have lotions and other fun things like that that would actually make really great gifts for somebody in your life, whether it be for birthdays, anniversaries, any kind of thing like that. But if you go to their website, you guys, you will see that they are known for diamonds in their candles. Yeah. Apparently, inside the candle, you have to burn it down, there is a diamond. There is a chance that this diamond inside your candle is worth $12,000. No, I didn't stutter. $12,000. Their claims are they make the most exciting and unique candles on the market. Handcrafted scented candles with natural soy wax and lead and zinc free wicks. Super cool. They also have bath bombs, lockets, and different things like that. And inside those particular items, they have fun jewelry and things like that inside those as well. All right, so let's open up the box. Here we go. It looks like we got a ton of bubble wrap to play with, so that's exciting. All right, so, oh my gosh, I am so excited. I just love candles anyway, so I wanted to try out their scents and to see what kind of products they do offer. So here is, it looks like I got 2 different boxes. I got a smaller brown box, and then I have a white box here that says Foreverwick Candle Company on it. Let's open this bad boy up. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I can already smell it. It's heavy. It's a heavy box. Okay, it's wrapped in paper. Ooh, look at this. Okay. It smells very clean and fresh. So this one is called Love Spell. It's in this cute purple cinch bag. Look at that. It's called Love Spell. How would I explain this? It says, indulge in this Love Spell candle, backed by popular demand, perfect for date nights, or binge watching your favorite TV series all night. One thing is for sure, you will fall in love with this candle. The scent notes are apple, peach, grapefruit, hydrangea, and vanilla. That's probably what I smell the most, is the hydrangea. It smells really good, and I can smell the hint of the grapefruit as well. So it's a very nice combo. It's a very clean combo. It's kind of like a scent that I would imagine that would be burning in like a boutique, if you know what I mean. A very welcoming scent. This says it has approximate burn time of 70 hours. So somewhere in this candle is a diamond, and we have to burn this for 70 hours before we can get the diamond. So yeah. All right, so let's go ahead and open up the other box. You guys ready? Okay. Okay, there's 2 candles in here. These smell really good, like really good. This one smells really good. Like, this one's called Monkey Farts. This is a smaller candle than this one. So Monkey Farts, this one says the burn time is also 70 hours, but this one smells, oh, this one smells really good. That's the thing, they have a lot of different names for their candles that are very funny. Like they have MILF, diamond candle, they have cinnamon vanilla, bamboo zen, really not that funny, but save a puppy diamonds, tobacco bourbon, Santa's sweaty sack. So this candle is $39.99. The ripest bananas and strawberries. So that is probably why I really enjoy this scent, because it has like that fruitier scent. This one is called Naughty Cherry. Naughty Cherry, and this one also is a 70-hour burn time. They have such funny candles. They have Mama Bear, they have the Unicorn Poop, Jesus Loves Me, Pumpkin Spice Latte, Football Fanatic, Lush Linen, Alpaca Spit, Rudolph's Red Rocket, Naughty Cherry Diamond Candle. This is also $39.95. Notes are Wild Cherry. It doesn't say anything else. Love Spell Diamond Candle is $29.95. They all have a diamond inside them. So, and what they say about the diamonds is they are GIA certified, which means that they're legit. They say they're legit. So all diamonds are 0.25 carat. They're batch certified real and natural diamonds by GIA. So I don't know. I'm excited to see what's in these, but now I gotta burn these bad boys and see what size diamonds I get. So I'm gonna go ahead and start burning the candle. So that'll be part 2. This is part 1. Are you guys excited? All right, so if you guys are interested in checking out Foreverwick for yourself, you can go to foreverwickcandle.com, and you can also use a promo code for 15% off. So right now they do have a sale. So if you go on their website, you can enter in Amber15. I'll leave that down below. Amber15, and you can get an additional 15% off. Let's go ahead and give this box a rating. Let's rate that box. Rate that box. Rate that box. We are gonna give it a rating based on just the candle part of it, you guys, okay? I will also do a second part video of this, and that'll be the reveal of the diamonds. So we're gonna go ahead and rate this box right now based on the candle scents, the variety, and the overall unboxing experience. So let's do that. Naughty Cherry smells very good as well. I like this one. It's more of a subtle cherry scent. It isn't very strong at all. Monkey Farts is probably my favorite because it has more of the fruitier scents, which I enjoy. And this has like the banana and strawberry combination. So it's not really strong as it burns, which I like that. Based on the packaging, the variety, the quality, I am gonna go ahead and give Foreverwick Candle Company, for this first part, we're gonna give them a 7. Yes. Foreverwick Candle Company, you are going to get a 7. The packaging was great. They were wrapped up really tight. They came intact. The scents are great. I love the variety. The website, when you go on their website, it's very easy to maneuver through the website, which is very nice. And we will go ahead and do a second video where we will do the diamond reveal. So for now, we're gonna let these burn Burn, baby, burn. Let's burn these candles down. If you guys like my video, be sure to give me a like. Comment down below which scent would be your favorite to try. What is your favorite kind of scent? This was a lot of fun, but I tell you what, it's gonna be even more fun to see what kind of diamonds is revealed in our next video. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we